Hi, I'm friends. This is After Effects, and let's see today how to create a video which will combine few videos and images at the same time. Okay, let's create new composition. 30 frames, duration 7 seconds. Let me change color to be light gray. Okay, and I would like to import some files, actually few videos and image. They're here, and I will drag and drop them one by one into timeline. No, actually I want the image to be the very last one and to be like background, to be on the bottom, because visible is that video or image which is on the top. Okay, now I will check all of them. I'm holding shift, checking them, and right click of my mouse and find pre-compose. Okay, now let us, for example, slide our videos. It's like to start not on the same time, so we have just image, then in 15 seconds will appear one video, then second video, then the third video. Okay, and we can manage our videos. We can do them smaller, change their place, for example like this. Move them somehow, whatever. So it will be image, then will appear one video, second video, third video, and so on. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Bye.